Oh, Jessica. Every time, Jessica. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Brit K-Pop Reacts, and today we are doing SNSD once again on my SNSD journey, my MV journey, which has gone on for months and months and months now. So if you are new, hello, welcome. Please check out my previous SNSD reactions. There are loads. I'm doing every single MV in order to get into this group, in order. So as you can imagine, considering we're doing Beep Beep and My Oh My today, you can imagine how many there are before this that you could catch up on. So please check all those out. That would be awesome. Join me on my journey thus far. And of course, if you enjoy this reaction, drop us a like, drop us a comment, and of course, subscribe to my lovely self. Join the Brit K-Pop Reacts family. That would be incredible. Why not? Why not indeed? If you check in the description below, there's also a link to my Patreon if you're interested in that. If you're interested in supporting me a little bit more, any support on there would be absolutely incredible. I'd be hugely appreciative of that. There are benefits on there, so check it out if you're interested. And with all that being said, guys, we are going to get straight into this thing. Let's do this. So this is Beep Beep by Girls' Generation. It is of course a fan uploaded video because it's not on SM's channel, so we are just going to get on with this thing. Let's do it. Beep Beep. Hello. Hello. Girls and Peace, that's the album, isn't it? That's the album, The Lovely Mystery Orbit, on my Patreon. Hello, if you're watching. Posted a link to the album, Love and Peace, so I could check it out because it's hard to get hold of. I've still yet to check it out, but I do remember you saying that Beep Beep was on that album. Let's do it. Oh, hello. Oh, I love the sound of this already. Look at the big phone. Oh my god, I love the sound. See you. I don't know. I'm in trouble with this. It's bubbly, it's fun, it's poppy. I love it so much. There's a big phone. So young then, the way she ended that line. I'm gonna rewind that back. That was gorgeous. I can't. Well, absolutely no chance. Absolutely no chance. Yeah. Oh my god. Same. Oh my god. Oh, for fuck's sake. I mean, bloody hell, you can tell this is Japanese. You can tell this is a Japanese song, can't you? It's got that like classic. It's very J-pop. This is. It's very J-pop to me. Like what I understand J-pop to be. I mean, bearing in mind, relatively speaking, I'm quite a J-pop novice. But in terms of like a sort of classic, what you'd imagine a J-pop sound to be, this feels very that style, doesn't it? I absolutely love it. It's so again, it's bubbly, it's fun, it's gorgeous, it's bright, it's colourful. I can't have an issue with this at all. Look at the outfits as well. The bloody outfits. Oh, right, drop it back a little bit. God's sake. Seyoung's gorgeous with that hat. Get the phone! I can't deal with it. Fuck's sake. Jessica! Stop. Oh, I forgot. I've not got, hang on. I've not got my book out. I've not got my book on the show. I'll put that on the show. I had it there last week. There she is on the back again. I'm going to put it here again. Like we need to, you know, promote the novel. Again, though, just Jessica, like, she never fails, doesn't she? She never fails to slay me every time she's on screen, every time she's doing something significant, every time she's got a line. I'm doomed, basically. I can't cope with it. Right. Okay, with the bow. Oh, it's adorable. Oh. I can't deal with any of it. Oh, the wink, the wink! You know I can't deal with it when they wink. Oh, bloody hell. Who was that giving that wink then? Is it your ring? Fuck's sake. I can't... You know I can't deal with them winking. You know I can't deal with that, girls. Yeah, I can guarantee you're going to do it again. Guarantee it. Stop. Stop it, Jessica. I can't deal with it. Say your no, stop. Oh, this is so this is so cute and lovely. I love it. Oh yeah, that vocal. Tail. Vocal. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's perfect. I love these little like comic style pop-up things as well. Like all the... Absolutely adorable. Absolutely adorable. Oh, these girls, man. I mean, you know this. You guys know this. At this point, I adore everything they do. But it helps that they always put out good shit, you know? Like, they're not a group. They're not a group to put out some, like, half-assed song. No. They will put out fucking catchy bops every time. Every bloody time. I absolutely love it. It was stunning. It was cute. It was bubbly. It was fun. It was everything. Absolute yes. The girls all killed it as always, as they always do. I can't ever complain with anything like that. So this is Girls' Generation once again, of course, with My Oh My, and this MV is on SM's channel, but it is also a Japanese song. I don't know how this works. This whole like why are some songs not on SM's channel? Like, what's the deal with that? Like the MVs and things. I don't know if anyone's explained that to me in the comments. I don't remember if they have, but off the top of my head, but I don't understand why certain songs aren't available and others are. I don't know, I find it bizarre. But anyway, play. My oh my. Look at them, they're so stunning, man. But go away, adverts. Oh no, who's sat? Wait, hang on. So who's the girl on the left then? Because that's not a Girls' Generation member, is it? So I don't know. Is she someone we should know? Is she from another group or something? I don't know. So I know sometimes they have cameos from other groups and things. Let me know on that one. I'm not sure. She seems to be upset though. They Again, it's like the melody and everything. Right, so is she sad because... So she's sad because this bloke is with another woman, maybe? Is that supposed to be like her man? Something like that. And now all the girls are like, you know, trying to figure it out and shit, and giving him evils from across the room. Look at this look. Oh, I love it. I see you, man. Yes, I can't deal with your visuals. Sonny with her hair down, I can't deal with it. Oh. Oh yes. Oh. Oh, Jessica. Every time, Jessica. Without fail. Oh my god, she just... that vocal then. Flipping heck. And they've all been slaying me before this. I was about to say, you know, what I wouldn't give to be in the position of that bloke. I don't care. I'd happily be strapped to a chair if I had all 9 of these girls in front of me. That, you know, by all means. I don't care. Do what you want to me, girls. And I don't mean that in a dirty way, so don't start that in the comments. I'm merely saying that I would happily allow them to do anything to me because I love them that much. Fuck's sake. I'm not getting myself out of that hole, am I? I've already dug that hole, so I'm just gonna accept my fate inside the hole. Just move on, to be honest. Just hear this vocal here. Oh my. Bad. This move as well, we're doing like this. I can't do it. Soo Young. She just keeps like appearing in these MVs and keeps making me like immediately just look at her and go, you're one of the most beautiful women this world has ever seen. She so has a habit of doing that to me in these MVs. And she's doing it here because I can't deal with it. Here we are. Oh, hello, cute bunny. Nice mouse, stop being a problem. Oh, this chorus hits. Oh, it's funny as well. But what? Put a dude in a tree. What's that all about? It's like the witches or something, like doing all the witchcraft to this guy. Like, yo, you're gonna fucking cause shit from my friend? Well, we're gonna get you because we're a coven of witches. I don't know, something like that, maybe. Oh, for fuck's sake. That's another thing I can't deal with these MVs, is they like having these moments where they'll just like pan through all the girls, like all the girls doing absolutely stunning, gorgeous looks. They'll just pan through it each one by one, just like they did just then. I've seen that in a few of these MVs now, and it kills me every time because I can't deal with one of them, let alone 9 at once. Just kind of panning through them. Stunning. I can't. It's too much. It overwhelms me. Look at this guy right now. That's how I feel when I watch an SNSD video. Please stop, but also continue at the same time. I just can't deal with them at all. You know this at this point. I don't need to explain it. Oh, dear me. Did she make... Did they make... What did they do there? Oh, yeah, it's like a band. Yeah, shoot him out of a cannon. Oh my god, it's amazing. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I don't pay. I can't deal with paparazzi again right now. Bloody hell, girls. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Absolutely incredible. The MV was awesome. I love that little whole plot, like story with the guy and everything, and messing with him in their witchy ways, their witchcrafty ways. Again, I will state right now, I will happily allow those girls to do all of those things that they did to that guy in that MV. I'd happily allow those girls to do that to me, and I'd do it with a smile on my face. Because I love these girls that much, it would be absolutely fine. Fire me out of a cannon, girls. Yeah, sure, as long as I get to, you know, interact with you in some form. I'd happily do that. Oh, they're just absolutely incredible. I just think the way they looked in this MV, again, glorious. I mean, they always do, but some of these MVs just astound me with just the looks of these, how they look. They just stun me with their just beauty and gloriousness. It's unbelievable. The song was, again, it's just so catchy and so fun, and they hit every time. GG, SNSD, they just hit every time with everything they do, and I can't deal with it. And that's all I'm going to say. Well, that being said, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you enjoy this reaction, drop us a like, drop us a comment, and maybe even subscribe to my lovely self. Join the Brit K-pop Reacts family. That would be incredible, as I say, if you are new. And if you are new and you did enjoy this, check out my other bloody SNSD videos. Like I say, there's a whole journey. There's a whole journey to catch up on. You know, I didn't start. The very first MV, I wasn't getting slayed to this level by these girls. It was a journey. It happened over time. So follow that journey, please. That would be incredible. And I'll see you next. Oh, also check out my Patreon. I'm lovely partners Etsy store, of course. And I'll see you next time, guys. Selling gay. I love you all. Goodbye.